Make a movie of you. Get those bubbles. I'm gonna push it. You gonna push? Make the bubbles. Dragon and his bubble lawnmower. Look at it go. Bubbles. Bubbles. Dragon in the bubble making. So awesome. Look at it go. Look at those bubbles. Look at that. Here's it. And where do we put the bubble solution, Dragon? In the front? And bubbles come out the side.
That's great stuff.
Come on, let's go get bubbles. Can I do it too? Well, I don't want bubbling right through there. Get going. Go that way. Here, get going, but with bubbles. Hey, get going. Look at those bubbles coming out. Make some more. Maybe you can adjust it a little bit. Come on, bubbles. That's one of the best bubble makers we've had. So cool. I love my droids.